Hello, my dear Beatrice Beauty Center friends. Here we are again. As I promised, I'm going to talk a bit also in English because we do have quite a few amount of clients that don't speak so well Spanish. So here we are. I'm a tiny bit in a hurry, but I will still try to make it really efficient, of very good use for all you. As I got some information, I got some people that asked me if I could pass some advice about how to use these wonderful tools, right? You might know them, you might have heard of them. This is the Gua Sha stone. In my case, this is of quartz. And this is a roller for the face. Because today we're talking briefly about anti-age methods that you can use at home that are very, very efficient. This is originally from Chinese traditional medicine. I absolutely love them. And at this time of the day, I could really do for some of these treatments myself. So I'm going to show you fast what this is about. You're going to apply on your skin a nice rich cream or a serum or an oil, whatever suits you best. And we're going to use this heart-shaped one. There are different shapes and also materials available. I like this here, this of quartz, heart-shaped. And we're going to use it for massaging. You can use it up and down, as in a massage treatment for releasing tension of the neck area and of the whole face. This works lovely. You should not push too hard, but still you should feel it. And as you can start to see, skin will get red, right? If you want it more for a lifting effect, you can go upwards. Always leave out this area of the thyroids. Here we go, upwards or up and down. Then with this little angle of the heart, you can do the contour. Very good for the jawline. And with this part, that little fat deposits that we might have. Okay. Up and down. And talking of the face, I would divide always the face in two parts, right and left. And then we go from the middle always to the side. I like to stretch my skin a bit, and there we go. You have to find out yourself which part, what corner or side of the stone you're going to use best. You can use it here on the wrinkle, around the mouth, and off we go again to the sides, direction to the ear. It's fabulous for smoothing out wrinkles. It really nourishes the skin as it enhances proper oxygenation, blood flow. For puffy eyes, fabulous. Around the eyes, you can go like this. For those little wrinkles, up and down, up and down. If you want erase that area that is puffy, go like this. You can go circle-wise, insisting a bit more on the inner side of the corner. Then you can use this broad area for the side here between the eyebrows where we tend to frown. And then you go up from the eyebrows towards the hair. It's really a very nice sensation. Don't expect miracles either, by the way, but this is a fantastic tool that if you are constant, then you will see the results. Right, there we are. And then you would do the same on the other side. I'm gonna switch now to this one. The one I have, it has two parts. Now I have the small one that I turned on, and then you can unroll it and put the bigger on. These are also of quartz, and basically it's the same. You roll and roll. There we are. Maybe the small one is better for the eye area, but in this case of this small short video, I'm going to do it with the small one for the whole face and the neck. You can go up and down, up and down, up and down. Then here we have the same system. If you would ask me which of these two tools I prefer, difficult to say. Maybe a bit more the Gua Sha stone, because I don't know, I've been using it for a long, long time, also in cabin for clients, but both are excellent. Maybe this one is easier for beginners, right? Around the mouth. Here we are, towards the ear. This one is definitely a fantastic tool that you can do on a daily basis, in the morning, when you have puffy eyes. If you want a fresher look, also please put these tools in the fridge, and then they will be even cooler, because stones anyhow, they have this fresh sensation, they have this fresh touch. Here, the wrinkles around the eyes. In the middle, with this roller is fantastic. It really releases all that tension, which makes us look like kind of angry, right? And then you go up and down, up and down, up and down. Make sure that afterwards you wash the roller and the stone, right? There you are. This is basically it. It's not a big deal to do it. It's just based on Chinese traditional medicine. It really works. It doesn't make wonders, but it really helps to undo that muscle tension, to kind of reduce that puffiness around the eye area. And if you have a nice product that you would like to apply, a serum or an oil, it will really be introduced much better, right? So there we are, my two beauty tools. We have them, of course, on sale here at Beatrice Beauty Center. Make sure that you wash the machine afterwards, this little tool, right? And I would love to get your comments. If you have any more questions or doubts, make sure that you contact me or your specialist for this. And don't forget, there are always some skin issues that are not so good, that where you should not use it is like an active acne or rosacea or any other skin issues that are more serious. There, I would definitely first contact your beauty specialist, and you can get sorted out all your questions. Thank you very much for listening to me. I wish you a fabulous day and see you next time. Bye.